Hello everyone, very good evening. My name is Arun Kumar and today I am here with another topic on AZ900 Azure Fundamental Certification, that is describe Azure Management Infrastructure. Okay, in this video we'll be discussing about Azure, Azure, Azure Management Infrastructure, Azure Management Infrastructure structure. So as the name suggests, okay, this Azure management infrastructure is something which is used for management of different resources that people use in Azure. Okay, that people use in Azure. Before discussing further, I want to put one very important thing. Okay, I want to put the hierarchy of different groups that are or different resources that are there in Azure. The first thing is management management group. Okay, this is this is the top level of grouping that is there in Microsoft Azure cloud platform. Now after this we have something called subscription. We have something called subscription. Here in this, after this subscription, we have something called resource group, and after this resource group, we have resources. We have resources. These resources, this resources is the basic building block of Azure. Okay, it is the basic building block of Azure. This is the basic building block of Azure. Okay, multiple resources. Okay, multiple resources are there inside a resource group. Multiple resource group are there inside a subscription, and multiple subscription are there inside a management group. If I talk about resources, then what are those resources? Okay, let me write some of the examples here. Like suppose we have something called Azure SQL database. This is a resource. This is a resource. This is a resource. Azure Key Vault. This is a resource. Azure Databricks. This is a this is a this is a resource. So these are nothing but different resources. Okay, these are called nothing but resources, and each resource group is a group of multiple resources. Each subscription is a group of multiple resource groups, and each management group is a group of multiple subscription. If I show you the diagram, let me show you the diagram. This is a diagram of resource group. Like inside resource group, you see these are multiple resources that are available. Inside a resource group, these are multiple resources which are available. Let me go down and let me show you one more thing. Okay, you see this hierarchy which is being shown here. This is a management group. Okay, this is a root management group. Inside this, we have other management groups. Like in an organization, there are multiple groups like human resource, multiple teams. Okay, human resource, IT, marketing. So for them, there are separate management groups that has been created. All of the management groups are logically separated with each other. Now we have something called subscription as well. Here we have subscription. Again, inside this management group, we have other subscriptions. Okay. You see, notice one thing. Inside management group, there can be multiple management groups. Okay. You see here, this is a management group. Inside this, we have other management groups. Okay. Inside this management group, we have one more management group. Inside this management group, we have other management groups. But inside subscription, we cannot have another subscription. Okay. Inside a subscription, we cannot have another subscription. You see, inside this management group, we have two subscriptions, but inside subscription, we don't have any other subscription. Similarly, the same case is here. We are not seeing hierarchy of subscription like subscription inside subscription, right? So this is an important point which I wanted to highlight. Okay. So what is the purpose of these management groups? Okay, the purpose of these, what is the purpose of this hierarchy that I am showing here? Management group, subscription, resource group, and then resources. Okay, as I said, resource group is the most basic grouping of resources. Okay, subscription is multiple grouping of resource groups, and inside management group we have multiple subscription or further management groups can also be there. Okay, let me write here, we can have, or let me write here, we can have other management groups also. Okay, we can have another management groups also. Now, why these groupings are done? These groupings are done to manage the control over resources that are present inside that group. That group may be either resource group or subscription or management group. Inside any of these groupings, to control the access or to control the billing, these groupings has been created. Okay, like suppose I have a team. Okay, I have a data engineering team and a data science team. Okay, so inside a subscription, a resource group has been given to data science team and and data science team, and a resource group has been given to data engineering team. Okay, a resource group has been given to data engineering team. Now, I don't want people having access to data science team resource group. I don't want people who is present in data science team to access data engineering team resources. I don't want people who is in data engineering team to access the resources that are available in data science team, right? So what I will do, I will, this is a resource group, right? This is suppose resource group 1, and this is resource group 2. This is resource group 2. Okay, this is resource group 1 and this is resource group 2. I'm at this level, okay? Now both are logically separated with each other. The person, data engineers don't have access to data science team resource group and data scientists don't have access to data engineering resource group. Okay, both are logically separated with each other. So how can we control that? So we will be giving access to that particular user, whoever part of data science team, to this RG1, not RG2, and we'll be giving access to data engineers over RG2 and not RG1. Okay, so in this way this access can be controlled. Now let's see another kind of control. Okay, now these were developers, these were data scientists, these were data engineers who were doing development in their resource groups. Now we have someone called, you can say, director of engineering. Okay, in my organization there is someone called director of engineering. Okay, so he will need access to both of them, right? He will need access to both of these resource groups. Director of engineering, whoever is director of engineering will need access to both of the resource group, RG1 as well as RG2. Now, how the access will be provided to RG1 and RG2 to the same person, this person, director of engineering, suppose this is a person. So how the access will be provided? The access will be provided by giving them access at subscription level. Okay, at subscription level. If both the resource groups are inside a subscription, then inside that particular subscription, in whatever subscription those two resource groups are available, in that subscription, I'll be giving access to them. Okay, I'll be giving access to them. Okay. Now, suppose these are part of engineering. Now we have something called, suppose we have some Azure resource group that has been provisioned for, suppose I am writing here, so that has been provisioned for, I am writing here RG3 for the finance team. Okay, finance team is using Azure SQL database for some of their storing their data. Okay, so this thing has been kept inside another subscription. Okay, another subscription, because this is financial thing. Okay, so the organization don't want to merge the engineering as well as the financial financial thing. Okay, these two subscriptions were for engineering team, these two resource groups were for the engineering team, but for finance team there is another subscription. Inside another subscription we have resource group for finance team. Of course, director of engineering need not to be given access to this finance data, right? This finance data. But suppose if If there is CFO of the CFO of the organization, Chief Financial Officer, so of course he will be needing access to financial data. So from at subscription level, we can give access to, not subscription level. Uh, yes, we at this subscription level we can give access to. Suppose this RG3 is inside another subscription, not in this subscription which we talked here. This is in another subscription. To this CFO, we will be giving access to this subscription and not to the subscription which in under which these two resource groups are present. Okay. I hope that these things are making sense to you. So these different kind of groupings are created for controlling the access, for proper management of the resources. And also, there are two things which I want to highlight, like for proper access control. Okay, this is the one thing. The second thing is proper management, proper management, so that another team of, I mean, different teams have different resource groups or different subscription. And the other important thing is billing. Okay, billing, to keep track of billing, that which department is consuming how much money for their work. Okay, also we create different resource groups or different subscriptions or different management groups. Okay, so I hope that these things are making sense to you and you are getting why these different management groups why these different groupings has been created. Okay, the whole and sole purpose of these groupings are revolve around these things: access control, proper management of different resources, and the third one is billing. Okay, to keep checking on, keep eye on the billing that different departments are uh, are consuming. I hope that these videos are helping you to learn Azure, and do connected do remain connected with me. Do like, share, and comment on this video. I'll keep on uploading more videos on this AZ900 certification, of Azure fundamentals. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Take care. We'll meet again. Thank you.